Greetings once more. We continue with our lesson on Introduction to Computer Studies or ICT. And the last two videos, we've been talking about input devices, storage devices, output devices, creating folders, moving files and folders, saving documents, and moving files to particular locations. And we are going to continue with restoration of files or restoration of files from the recycle bin. Okay, so every computer, I'm sure now you should be using Windows 10. That's the one of the most recent Windows version available. Windows 10. If you're using Windows 10, you always find this PC on my. You always find a recycle bin on your desktop. You always find recycle bin on your desktop. Nevertheless, if you cannot find recycle bin on your desktop, you simply come to files on your toolbar, come to files, and if you cannot find recycle bin here, under quick access, check under this PC cannot find recycle bin, you search, click on the search button, recycle bin, recycle bin, search. Okay. Mhm. My machine is searching for recycle bin. Okay, after you finish searching, all the programs will come up that have something to do with recycle bin. Okay, but we are not going to wait for that. So we continue with now. Given that, let's assume that you find your recycle bin on the desktop. Let's assume that you find your recycle bin on the desktop. You What files go to the recycle bin? Deleted files. When you delete a file from your computer, it goes into your recycle bin. Consider that you're working on a document. I'm working on a document. I work on this document and I save the document. I save the document under business course. Okay, under business course. Okay, please hold on. Save. Okay, I want to save the file or the document under business course. Okay, this is my business course. Okay, now on accessing my computer, going through my files, I mistakenly delete this document. I just click a button on my laptop, uh, mistakenly delete the document. Now to get this document, to search this document, to get this document back, the first thing that should come to your mind is you should first of all think if you saved the document. Secondly, check if you can find the document on your recycle bin. Go to your recycle bin. Wow, this is a document in the recycle bin. I simply right click on the document. Other options will come up. You have restore. Until you see this restore option, please, you then take in restore, cut, delete, properties. You choose what if you choose delete to delete to remove the file from your computer permanently. Okay, you choose restore if you want to send back the file to where you saved it. You restore. Okay, so if you go back to your if you go to business course file, the file where we had business course, you're going to see the document business inside. So whenever you've deleted a file and you want to restore the file, you go to your recycle bin and restore. For instance, we have this one. There's this file. There's this folder I want to restore. I restore, so my recycle bin is empty. There's no file again in my recycle bin. So that's the process. You can delete files. You can equally hide files inside your recycle bin. Well, so long as you know that you'll not remember to restore it back, you please don't bear the risk of hiding a file inside your recycle bin. Okay, that's it with the lesson on recycle bin, restoring files from the recycle bin. One more thing, if you want to check the properties, you might want to check the properties of your computer. Uh, you open files, this PC. Okay, on this PC window, you you right click on an empty space, not on the the disk drive. You right click on an empty space, select properties, and it's going to give you everything about your machine. So I'm using a Windows 10 Pro machine, Windows 10 Pro, and the processor is i3, um, i3, and 8 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, 64-bit operating system. We have other properties. So these are the properties for my machine. And when you check with the properties of your machine, you'll be able to know the type of programs your machine can carry. If your machine is less than if the RAM is less than 8 GB, 4 GB, you have to limit the number of programs that you install in the machine, as well as the office versions that you install in the machine, and so on. So we should take note of this. I think we have rounded up with the course on the introduction to computer. The next lesson we will be looking at we'll be getting into stock control and management, and when we complete stock control and management, we will handle finance control and management. Thank you all. Please follow attentively and make sure you take down notes. You jot every point down.